Hey everyone, my name is Harsh, and in this video we'll be starting with making the widgets or the parts which are remaining for the story section of the screen. So let's get to the video. So we'll be starting by removing this to do which we added 2 videos back before we have created the settings screen. So we have removed this, and now we'll be working on the some screens. This to do which says some screens are to be implemented. So firstly, I'll be creating another folder inside the widgets directory which says story section. In this story section widget, I'll be creating a story. In this story section directory, I'll be creating a story section or the story text widget. So what this story text widget will basically has is that it will be having, we can say, a padding and then a row. In that row, we'll be having a text which will be saying stories, and next to it we'll be having another text in it which will be inside the container which says add private stories. So it is similar to the original UI which is there. So I'll quickly make this widget. So for the top of this widget we are having a padding which is having a left and right padding as 15, and from the top it is having padding as 28. In the row we are having main axis alignment as space between, and for the first child for this row we are having text as stories, and for the second child we are having a container which in it has a decoration or the box decoration with some color as the shade 300 and border radius with the radius of 24, and in it is having some padding. And at last in this container or in this widget we are having a text which says private story with some text styles. So we'll be adding the widget we have created in this to do section. Hot reloading to see its visibility. So I'll be clicking on the top left, and you can see here that the stories and the private story widget which we recently created is appearing. Slowly and gradually our Snapchat clone is, we can say, that is moving forward and looking like the original UI. So I have added some space bit after this story text widget in a form of a size box, and next to it I am creating another widget for this which is an add to widget. So the type of this widget is widget and the name is add to, so it will be taking some text in it. So how this widget will be like, it will be having a padding of left and right as 15, and for the top it will be having padding as 8. Next it will be having a child as container with the height of 60 and some decorations. We are also having some box shadow to it to mimic the original UI, and as a child of this widget we are having a row which in it is also having a row. So the second or the later row will be having two widgets which will be the first one will be having an icon of the camera outline, and the second one will be a text which says add to a variable story. So after this we are having a spacer and a padding which is having a more option to it, which will be opening something or showing something more when it is tapped on. So now we'll be adding the widget we have created to this to-do list, and for the text which it takes we'll be passing two different texts in two different widgets. So the first one will be my and the second one will be my. So what it will be showing is add to my stories and add to our stories. So as you can see on the screen, after a hot reload it shows as it was made for. So we'll be removing the to do. we'll be adding another to-dos for the items or for the widgets which we want to create. So I'll add all the to-dos which we'll be covering up or we'll be creating in the next video or the series of videos which we are making. So what all we need to create is the private story screen. The next will be friends test or screen, or next will be friend section. Later we'll be having a Bitmoji text. Next we'll be having a Bitmoji widget 1, 2 and 3, all different. Next to it we'll be having a snap map text, and later we'll be having a snap map which will be a small image of that map. Yeah, these all things will be start creating in the next video. So that is it for this video.